Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to remove headers from your Google Docs. If you guys don't want it on the first page or any page, I'm going to teach you right now how to remove Google Docs header. So at first you must open up Google Docs, and what you're going to do in Google Docs is you're going to open up the document that you want to remove the header of. I'm going to choose a random document. So here is no header, but I'm gonna add some header. I'm gonna add the page numbers, so my headers are done. So you guys can see here these page numbers are my headers, and to remove this all you gotta do is double tap on the header will be on the top because it is named header and our head is at the top as well. And to delete this you just need to press the back button. You press this, you go to down, you delete this as well, and everything will be deleted. So my first page is not connected with other pages, so that is why the second page was deleted. So my second page was connected to everything, so it was deleted. And the other option is you can go to format and go to headers and footers, and you can even choose headers, margins and layout from here. If you want a different first page you click on here, and different odd and even you click on here. So guys, this is how you remove headers from Google Docs, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.